Hi traders, this is Jason Lloyd from Forexsuggest, and today we are going to be having a look at some of the top 5 best $100 no-deposit Forex welcome bonuses. Be sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to click that notification bell to stay up to date with our latest videos. Let's get into it. Forex welcome bonuses are incentives offered by Forex brokers to attract new traders. These bonuses typically reward traders with additional funds or perks upon account registration and initial deposit, making it easier to start trading with enhanced capital. Forex brokers use these bonuses to build brand loyalty and gain competitive advantage in a crowded market. However, terms and conditions apply, often including minimum trading volumes or withdrawal restrictions, so traders should carefully review the requirements before participating. Traders who are searching for some of the best $100 no-deposit Forex welcome bonuses can sometimes find it to be a difficult process, especially when searching for a safe, reliable, and trustworthy broker to trade with. So in this video, we are going to be having a look at some of the top 5 best $100 no-deposit Forex welcome bonuses. Coming in first at number 5 on our list, we have IronFX. IronFX is a prominent online Forex and CFD broker, recognized for its comprehensive range of trading services and solutions. IronFX is committed to providing traders with a dynamic and secure platform to access the financial markets. Catering to both novice and experienced traders, IronFX is dedicated to transparency, innovation, and providing clients with cutting-edge technology to ensure an exceptional trading experience. They offer a diverse range of market instruments, providing traders with ample opportunities to explore and invest in various financial assets. These include Forex, commodities, indices, futures, and shares. By offering a wide array of market instruments, IronFX empowers traders in South Africa and beyond to explore diverse markets, manage risk effectively, and seize trading opportunities in the ever-changing financial landscape. The broker presents a compelling array of bonus promotions as well, designed to enhance the trading experience for its clients. And these bonuses can encompass a variety of offerings, such as deposit bonuses, trading rebates, and other attractive incentives. The specifics of IronFX's bonus promotions may vary and are subject to terms and conditions. Therefore, traders are encouraged to visit the website to stay updated on the latest promotions and to review the associated terms. Featured platforms are available on the MetaTrader 4 trading platform, which is supported on Windows, Android, and iOS operating systems. IronFX is also dedicated to providing a robust set of educational resources to empower traders in South Africa and beyond. These resources are designed to help traders, whether they are newcomers to the world of online trading or seasoned investors, expand their knowledge and refine their trading skills. They offer a wide range of topics, including comprehensive market analysis, trading strategies, risk management techniques, and trading psychology insights. Traders can also access articles, webinars, video tutorials, and other informative materials to deepen their understanding of the financial markets. By incorporating these resources into their trading journey, clients of IronFX can enhance their skills, improve their trading strategies, and work towards their financial objectives. At number 4 on our list is InstaForex. InstaForex is a leading online CYSEC-regulated Forex broker that was founded in 2007. InstaForex is a global broker specializing in services and trading through Forex, shares, indices, commodities, cryptocurrencies, and futures. Platforms are available on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, and the InstaTrader, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. InstaForex provides two main types of trading accounts, the Insta Standard account and the Insta Eureka account. There are two cent accounts, and these accounts offer an easy, risk-free way for new traders to learn how to trade and how to use the platforms. These cent accounts were also designed for traders who would like to test new strategies in a live market environment with real trades, but without the higher risks of larger deposits. InstaForex offers an entire dedicated section of the website to providing webinars, platform and trading tutorials, trading guides, and much more. Their training courses are designed specifically for beginners and first-time traders, and this course will help you understand technical and fundamental analysis, how to make forecasts of price changes, how to use MetaTrader 4, and how to trade. Coming in at number 3, we have FBS. FBS, a globally recognized online trading broker, stands at the forefront of the financial industry, offering a comprehensive platform that caters to the diverse needs of traders worldwide and established with a commitment to providing access to financial markets for both novice and experienced traders. FBS has rapidly gained prominence for its user-friendly interface, innovative trading tools, and a wide array of financial instruments. The broker offers a diverse range of trading instruments to cater to the dynamic needs of its global clientele, including Forex, metals, indices, energies, stocks, and Forex exotics. FBS distinguishes itself by providing traders with a diverse portfolio of instruments, offering flexibility and opportunities for profit across different asset classes, and ensures a comprehensive and accessible trading experience for individuals at all levels of expertise. Featured platforms are available on the MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 trading platforms, and are designed to cater to the diverse needs of traders. Whether traders prefer the classic MetaTrader 4 or the advanced capabilities of MetaTrader 5, or even the convenience of mobile and web-based platforms, FBS ensures a diverse range of options to suit different trading styles and preferences. They offer a tailored trading experience with a variety of account types, designed to accommodate the diverse preferences and styles of its clientele. Traders can choose from a range of account options, including the Standard, Cent, and Pro accounts, with demo and swap-free Islamic account options. By offering a diverse range of account types, FBS ensures that traders can select the option that best aligns with their individual preferences, experience levels, and trading strategies. They also offer a diverse array of educational material, which includes guidebooks, tips, video lessons, and more. Also offered is a variety of webinars, seminars, and tutorials, which cover essential topics such as market analysis, technical and fundamental analysis, risk management, and trading strategies. These educational sessions are conducted by seasoned professionals and industry experts, offering valuable insights and practical tips to help traders make informed decisions. Overall, FBS stands as a leading force in the online trading industry, providing a comprehensive platform that caters to the diverse needs of traders worldwide. The broker's range of trading instruments, user-friendly platforms, diverse account types, and extensive educational resources reflect its dedication to creating a dynamic and supportive trading environment. At number 2 on our list is ForexChief. ForexChief is a leading online Forex broker renowned for its user-friendly interface and comprehensive trading services, catering to traders in Asia and beyond. ForexChief offers a secure and accessible platform for individuals to participate in the dynamic foreign exchange market. The broker offers an extensive array of market instruments to cater to the diverse trading preferences of its clients. Traders can access a wide range of financial assets across global markets, which include Forex, commodities, CFDs based on indices, as well as stocks. ForexChief's platform is equipped with essential tools and resources, ensuring traders can navigate these diverse market instruments with ease and confidence. The broker offers an array of enticing bonus promotions also, designed to enhance the trading experience for clients. The specific details of these bonus promotions may vary and are subject to terms and conditions, so traders are encouraged to visit the website to stay updated on the latest promotions. Featured platforms are available on MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5 and the ForexChief mobile application. Accounts are featured on Cent, Classic Plus, DirectFX, and the X Prime account, with Islamic account options available. By offering a variety of account types, ForexChief ensures that traders can select an option that aligns with their trading goals and expertise. ForexChief is committed to empowering traders with a wealth of educational resources. These resources are thoughtfully designed to cater to traders of all levels, providing valuable insights and knowledge to enhance their trading skills. These educational materials include articles, tutorials, webinars, and market analysis, and cover essential topics such as technical and fundamental analysis, risk management strategies, and trading psychology. By integrating these resources into their trading journey, traders can gain a deeper understanding of market trends, make informed decisions, and ultimately improve their trading performance. And coming in at number 1 on our list of some of the top 5 best $100 no-deposit Forex welcome bonuses, we have Admirals. Admirals is a prominent Forex broker, and when it comes to navigating the world of online trading, they are your go-to source of expertise. Regulated by the Financial Sector Conduct Authority, Admirals ensures a secure and trustworthy trading environment for its clients. With a wide array of financial instruments, traders can rely on Admirals for access to global markets and comprehensive trading tools. Their commitment to education and customer support makes Admirals an ideal choice for both novice and experienced traders looking to capitalize on the foreign exchange market. Admirals offers a diverse range of market instruments to empower traders and investors. From Forex currency pairs and commodities, such as gold and oil, to a wide selection of stocks and indices, Admirals provides access to a comprehensive array of financial instruments, ensuring a secure and trusted trading environment. Their welcome bonus is a fantastic opportunity for new traders to kickstart their trading journey with added financial support. Upon joining the Admirals community, new users can benefit from an exclusive welcome bonus designed to enhance their trading experience, and this bonus serves as an additional capital injection, providing traders with extra funds to explore the financial markets and execute trades. Featured platforms are available on MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5, which are supported on Windows, iOS, and Android operating systems. Admirals offers a diverse range of trading accounts, catered to the unique needs of traders at every level of experience. These accounts include the Trade 0 and Trade MetaTrader accounts. They also provide demo and Islamic account options. Each of these accounts are thoughtfully designed to provide flexibility, choice, and the tools necessary to meet individual trading objectives. Admirals offers a rich and diverse collection of educational resources to empower traders at all skill levels. Whether you're a beginner looking to take your first steps in the world of trading, or an experienced investor seeking to refine your strategies, Admirals has got you covered. For beginners, the platform provides comprehensive guides, articles, and video tutorials to build a solid foundation. For those with more experience, Admirals offers advanced educational materials, technical analysis webinars, and in-depth market insights. These resources help seasoned traders refine their skills and stay updated on the latest market trends and strategies. And those are some of the top 5 best $100 no-deposit Forex welcome bonuses on our list. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and leave a like if you enjoyed this video. Leave us a comment on what you would like to see next, and let us know which online broker is your personal favorite. And that's it from me for now. To open an account with Forexsuggest, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and as always, good luck with your trading activities.